stronger the flavor. So this we need to grow about 3 to 4 years. So it takes a long time. And later I will show you. Yeah, we have some already in our kitchen. So you can try later. Yeah? We're gonna use for bumbu Bali. I don't know if you know bumbu Bali. It's like a curry paste from Bali. If you want to make curry, you need to make the paste. So that's the paste from Bali. For tapioca flour and for cassava chips. I don't know if cassava chips. Yeah, there is a lot of in market. You can buy that. See here, we cut little bit by little bit, but that's for make cinnamon roll or cinnamon stick like this. That's normally we need to take the bark and but not the smell's not really strong. So this is mean not ripe enough. So when it's ripe enough, it will be yellow like that and can be bigger. So that's we can use for fried jackfruit like fried banana. Have you tried the rolled chocolate?
Yes.
So there is a white inside here. So like this. The taste is like mangosteen. If you try this one. That is especially the honey from Bali that we call clay. If you open this one, it's around 100 of them. So it's normally work in the evening, it's not during the day. Okay, remember that the tempeh can keep separate from the other one. The chili, you need to cut like chili slices. This. And then this one, actually we don't need to open. So we just wrap like this, and then we just cut them. The chili with the spring onion, you can cut them or put them together, yeah, right here. And then the garlic, of course, we need to smash them. And you can cut as small as you can, yeah? You can put it on the top here. Be careful when you smash them.
Like this?
Yeah. Oh, it's 5 minutes old.
You're good at it.
Oh yeah, now you can put the sugar, yeah? Sugar in.
So we still need half of it. Yeah.
Put it more, it's fine. See, you can do that. Just like, yeah. You can mix that. only the potato on the fire, yeah, because the bamboo is easy to burn. Just start from the second line. So when it's golden brown, you can drop, put everything in here, yeah. You can turn the heat on, yeah. And then enjoy your food. And try the peanut, yeah.
A scooter over from the checkpoint where I was, and now I'm at Siam Point, going to watch the sunset. Yay! It's so pretty. So, I'll show you.